So an Invention Convention is an opportunity for local students aged 14 to 18 to come along for 3 days and hang out with Questacon staff and bring their ideas to life based on challenges that we set for them.
My favourite part has got to be the amount of times that we've had to fail and then remake it and then try again. You get down all your plans, you write down the ideas, you brainstorm, and you really don't know what you're doing until you've started. Yeah, that was amazing.
I really enjoyed building my prototype and all of the mini prototypes along the way as well.
This Invention Convention has been fantastic. It's really amazing to see what students have been able to create. Some of it's gone from paper and paddle pop sticks, and they've turned that into real life inventions that are really going to help people and solve challenges that mean a lot to them. We bring a whole lot of options for the students to use at an Invention Convention. We pack many, many suitcases full of wonderful, amazing things to help them bring those ideas to life. My favourite part of the Invention Convention is just seeing what these students are capable of. It's incredible and amazing to see how it can come from just an idea in their head to bringing it to life and seeing them try and fail and then pull themselves up and being able to pull it all together for a showcase event.
It's so good just seeing it all come together and seeing it all function just like we planned. There are even some things in here that we didn't plan, for the better.
I would encourage anybody who has an idea and they don't know where to start, anybody who wants to get hands-on and try something out, see if STEM career is something that they're interested in, or even people who just like building things and bringing their ideas to life.